Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, June 7th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWM, and Triple Qs. And right now, at 75 minutes to go prior to the opening, it looks like SPY is attempting, SPY and ES, at the upper end of, remember we've had two double distribution days in a row. We have single prints, we have a gap from Friday. So they're attempting to push this higher. I think the bigger question is not so much as if we get the all-time high and the overnight all-time high, but what happens above it. We've had poor volume, poor tempo, poor structure. Are we going to get some bigger time plays, larger time frame plays in to support this move or not? That's going to be the real important factor, I believe, for today and going forward. So destinations right now for this morning. So our pre-market high right now, looks like it just changed possibly, is 422.92, which is exactly the all-time high from Friday, which is a weekly high right now. Then we don't have, the only other destination we have is the overnight all-time high in SPY from May 10th of 423.31. For the downside, now again, if we gap higher, we will use Friday's high as the first downside destination. If we do not gap higher, we have the price probe, which is Friday's high of 422.65. Then we have the two sets of single prints. They're both very small. 422.33 get filled at 21. 422.14 get filled at 02. Lowest accepted price in B of 421.23. And then Friday's low of 420.68, filling the gap at 419.99. So game plan early for this morning. Remember, change took place above D and H's high. So if buyers are able to hold that, any pullback, you should see if there's still buyers there. So if we open with higher value or it becomes overlapping to higher, I'll still look for call plays above D and H's high. If, however, in the next 75 minutes we open below D or H's high, then where there were buyers, I would expect to find sellers, and I'd take a put play against that, at least the first time. Any pullbacks then to the lowest accepted price or the day's low, you could also take call plays. I'd be out below them. If we take out Friday's low, that gap should get filled, and we'll see if we get these 2 days then to merge and see if we get some consolidation inside of there. If we open above D and H's high and push up towards the all-time high, again, if 422.92 becomes the pre-market all-time high, see if they front run it. You could take a short against that. Then it depends how much heat you want to take. The all-time high in the overnight is about 40 cents higher than that. Again, the question is, what do they get if and when they get that all-time high? And then on the chart, just going to show you the weekly and the daily. Here's your weekly chart. I'm still calling this balance. Remember, we had an outside week up. That's pretty bullish. But remember, 4 weeks ago we had an outside week up and they got nothing for it. They opened, couldn't get the all-time high that they had set the previous week, and came in $18. Let's see if we get a replay of that, or do buyers finally get above this balance with acceptance. And on the daily, same thing. We were back in balance. If we take out today's high and get any legs, we will go back to up. Again, it all remains to be seen. Hopefully, we get better volume and tempo no matter which way we decide to go today. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.